Hi, in this video I will show you how to add the discount code on the Wix website. So if you want to offer the discount to your customers on the website, you can simply add on your Wix website. How you can basically do it? So simply you have to log into your Wix dashboard, and once you will in the dashboard of the Wix account, simply you have to scroll down, and here you will see marketing and the SEO option right here. You have to tap on it, and once you will tap on it, now scroll down and you will see coupon option here. Tap on it and you will see page like this, and once you will here, now you have to click on the new coupon, and you will see multiple options like discount in rupees, percentage, free shipping, sale price, buy X get Y free. So I simply select a percentage here, and you have to enter the code. So I write summer of. Now scroll down, and here you have to enter the discount percentage. So I select 10% here. Now on which product you want to apply this code, simply I select all products. You can choose according to your choice, like specific product, specific collection, etc. So apply only to the lowest price item. This is your choice. You can also apply to every relevant item in the order. And here you have to enter the validation date. You can also select don't set end date. Choice is your, but it will start from today. And limit a total. You can also give a limit, like how many time one user avail this coupon. So select it to the 1 or 2 3 according to your choice. And once you will do it, now a limit to use per customer. So this is the same thing, and now you have to click on the create coupon, and your coupon will be created. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.